Bonjour. In this lesson, we're going to look at the following things. We're going to look at of IR verbs in the present tense. We're also going to make these into affirmative and negative statements. And then we're going to look at yes and no questions using subject pronouns. Here is a sample IR verb for you. It's the verb finir, to end, to finish. And I have two parts to this infinitive: the ending, the stem. And to that stem, I'm going to add a series of endings. Now you notice something special about these verbs is that in the plural, before I add the endings, I have to include a form which is spelled ISS. Okay? All the verbs that belong to the second group of IR verbs will follow this scheme. Huh? All right? So it's the verb to finish. Huh? Je finis, tu finis, il finit, elle finit, nous finissons, vous finissez, ils finissent, elles finissent. Okay? Now, if I use this verb such as finir affirmatively, I would say je finis, I finish. Elle choisit, she chooses. And by introducing the ne pas around the conjugated verb, I have a negative construction. Je ne finis pas. I do not finish. Elle ne choisit pas. She does not choose. All right. Let's look now at yes and no questions. In French, there are two ways to ask a question in writing. The first consists of using the construction with est-ce que, or as you see here, it's QU apostrophe because it's followed by a vowel, but it could be QUE, all right, as I have used here. This is the first way to ask a question. Est-ce que followed by a subject pronoun followed by a verb form. Est-ce que in French just means I'm asking a question and nothing else. It's like you have this giant question mark. And once you've established that you are asking a question, then you can use the subject pronoun followed by the verb. If you do not use the est-ce que, then you have to do something to show that it's a question. You have to show something else. And what you do in French is you put the verb form before the subject pronoun. All right? As I have done also here. See, I have a verb form followed by a subject pronoun. This is an inversion. This is a question. Basically what you do in English. Now you notice something special here. Between the verb form and the subject pronoun, I have used a T. And this T is only there for pronunciation's sake. It has no other function than to help you pronounce mange-t-il. Okay? All right. So again, two ways to ask a question. The first one, est-ce que, plus a subject pronoun, plus a verb. The second one, you do not use est-ce que. The verb comes before the subject pronoun. Another example, est-ce que, subject pronoun, verb. Or you don't use est-ce que, verb followed by the subject pronoun. Okay? Now, whether you say est-ce qu'il mange or mange-t-il, you're saying exactly the same thing in French. Does he eat? And if you say est-ce que tu finis or finis-tu, again you're saying the same thing. Do you finish? Okay? So if you hear the question, est-ce que tu finis? Finis-tu? There are two ways to answer it. Either you answer oui, yes, oui, je finis, yes, I finish, or non, no, non, je ne finis pas, with the negation around the conjugated verb.